which tools work with the flexible hose in my Riccar R70 accessory package. Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar, and we're going to show you which tools work and how to set them up on your R70 accessory package and vacuum cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of take the R70 again. We're going to push this button, remove the handheld unit. Handheld unit plugs in right here, locks into place. These are the accessories that work at the end of the hose. The pet grooming tool, the dusting brush, and the bendable extended cleaning brush as well. These will all lock into place. They're all push button. Those are the accessories that you want to use with your flexible hose. Also, just side mention here, you can also use them directly on the end of the handheld unit. Happy vacuuming.